Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss how can you integrate Make.com with BotPenguin. So once you log in into your BotPenguin account, you will land on this page. From the left hand side, from the bot section, you have to select the bot which you want to integrate with Make.com. For the demo purpose, I am using this website bot. Then you have to navigate to the third-party apps integrations option. Then you can search for Make here. You can integrate Make.com with BotPenguin to automate actions like adding contacts, sending messages, and updating attributes between BotPenguin and 1000 plus applications on Make.com. So you have to click on the connect button right here. And you will get the bot ID here. You have to click on the copy button and this bot ID will be copied. And then you have to click on the scenario button right here. This will redirect you to the Make.com website. Then you have to sign up or log in with your Make account. I am clicking on the login button here. Now, on the right hand side, you'll find a create a new scenario button. You just have to tap on it and in the search bar, you can simply search for BotPenguin. Then you have to select the trigger events for your bot to initiate the action. So I am clicking on the show more option and I am selecting watch new contact created trigger. The procedure will be same for setting up other BotPenguin triggers. Then you have to click on create a webhook if you are creating it for the first time. And if you have already created it, you can choose from the available webhooks. Then you have to specify the webhook name and you have to create a connection here. I'll simply tap on it. So you have to give your connection a name. You have to enter the BotPenguin's API key here. You have to select the platform of the bot that you are integrating with. So I am selecting website here. Then you have to paste the bot ID here, which you copied earlier from Make.com third-party integration in BotPenguin. So I'm simply pasting the bot ID right here. And this API key you'll find in the developer section of the BotPenguin. So let us quickly go to the BotPenguin platform again and copy the API key from here. So you will find the more option here and then you have to go to the developers option. And you have to click on the access token option right here. And then you can generate your API token. And that's it. Your API key is ready. You just have to click on the copy button and then paste it here. After entering all these details, you have to click on the save option. Again, you have to click on the save option. And again, you have to save this webhook as well. And as you can see, your trigger is now created. Then you have to add an action which will take place once event trigger takes place. So for that, you have to click on the plus icon next to the BotPenguin bubble to add an action. So here for the demo purpose, I'll be using Google Sheets as an action. Then you can select the available events which are available on Google Sheet. Then you have to click on create a connection button right here. And then you have to simply click on sign in with Google and you have to sign in with your Google account. Then you can select the search method. If you want to search by path, select from all, or if you want to enter manually. For the demo purpose, I am selecting search by path. Then you can choose any of the drive options from here. My drive, shared with me, or Google shared drive. So I am choosing my drive only. Then you have to select the Google spreadsheet here in which you want to store the data. So you can click on this choose file button. Then you have to select the sheet name for the same. Then you have to set up the table content. You can select the values and attributes which you want to map in your sheet according to the column and rows. For example, I am choosing name here. Then I am choosing email here. Then I'm choosing WhatsApp number here. And after you are done, you can simply click on the OK button. And that's it. You are done. Now go to the BotPenguin platform and select the bot which you were integrating with Make.com. Then go to the edit your chat flow section of that bot. From the list of flows that you have created, you can select the flow which you want to use. And you can click on test button, then chat with the bot and provide the inputs asked. After that, you can check your given Google Sheet and all the leads collected will be stored there. Remember that the contact info entered should not be available on BotPenguin platform previously, as it will be considered as revisit lead and will not be triggered by BotPenguin app in Google Sheet or any other app which is used as an action. Now, we will see how to use action in BotPenguin. You have to go on the make.com website and you have to click on create a new scenario button. Then you can select a trigger app. Here I am selecting the Google Sheets. Then you have to select an available trigger events from the given option. I am simply choosing the watch new rows here. Then you have to set up your Google Sheet by filling all the required details from where you want to set triggers and fetch data for the action to take place. Then you have to set up your Google Sheet by filling the required details from where you want to set trigger and fetch data for this action to take place. So I'll quickly enter the details. After completely setting up the trigger, you can click on the OK button. You can choose where to start from these three options. I'm choosing all for now. And your trigger has been set. Now you have to click on the plus icon next to the trigger. And here you have to search for BotPenguin. And then you have to select an action event which will take place after receiving the trigger. Then you can set up the connection by providing the API key and the bot ID from BotPenguin as explained earlier. Then you can set up connection by providing the API key and bot ID as we did earlier. As I already made a connection, I'll just have to enter the name, the country code, the phone number and the email. And you will just need to select the bot and WhatsApp number in case of the action triggered by a WhatsApp bot. Then you have to click on OK and save the changes. And that's it. You have successfully connected BotPenguin as action. So once a trigger takes place, your bot will follow the action. You can also check all your connections in the connection tabs in make.com. Here you can see the email ID which you have connected and the bot name which is mapped for the automation. So that was all about the process of integrating make.com with BotPenguin. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.